Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Jessica Analarapca, Filipino. I am 25 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am married. I have one child. My husband is working as a fishing. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. I am 5th in the family. I am college level. About my working experience, I've been working as a household helper in Philippines for 2 years. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, gardening, and car washing. I know how to cook Filipino dishes like chop suey, chicken adobo, and igado. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes and speak basic Cantonese words and languages. I love taking care of children. I give them healthy foods on time, take them a bath every day, bring them to the school, play with them. I love them like my own child. Sir, Madam, I am honest, trustworthy, flexible, hardworking person. Sir, Madam, please choose me as your domestic worker because I need this job to support my family needs and for the future of my daughter. I will promise to finish my duties very well and finish my contract with you. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.